Alright, so what we're doing today is another beverage. We're going to be using Golden Peak tea. It's a very delicious unsweetened tea. We have half a bottle of Drink Melon Watermelon juice. We're going to be putting in Driscoll Strawberries, Farm Fresh Farms Blueberries, and Frozen Persimmon that's been blended together with the skin. We're doing this because I'm feeling like I'm a little bit low on energy and I want to have an interesting smoothie. Oh, we're also going to put in a banana. Now when I use my bananas, I like them like this. The more spots, the merrier. That means there's more sugar in it. It tastes just wonderful. We're also going to use a scoop of protein, vegan protein from Sprouts. Right now, presently, this is the protein source I'm using. Alright, so let's get started.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour the melon in. So this was approximately 12 ounces, so I poured in 6 ounces. Then we're going to cut the banana. And we're going to do a couple chunks. And we're going to do this in pieces because this is not a very powerful blender, though it does crush ice nicely. It's the Black & Decker Crush Master. I just like this to say that. Okay, I'm going to put this on. Okay, we're just going to put the rest of the banana. We're just going to do it in pieces. And then we're going to get a measuring cup. And I'm going to measure 2 cups of persimmon. 2 cups of persimmon. And the reason I'm doing this is because the persimmon will only last 4 days once it's ours. This is very fresh, no preservatives, straight from Nancy's backyard, and I don't really want to waste any of it. And we're going to make sure it gets in there. It looks like we need it for something else. I thought, okay, never mind. We're going to put in 1 cup once I figure out what a 1 cup is. Okay, so we're putting in 1 cup of persimmon, raw persimmon. Look, I just volunteered, didn't it? All right. Then we're going to juice that. Okay, so then we're going to pull this cap off the top and we're going to pour in 1 cup of Cold Peak tea. Get a little bit of caffeine going since I'm not having coffee this morning. And we're going to stir that in. We're going to put in half a cup of blueberries. Now we're putting in 8 strawberries that I just washed and removed the little green leaves off the top. The last ingredient will be the protein powder. I put it in last because if I put it in first, there's a very good chance of it just making clumps. This way, need 2 hands to do this. Okay, you can see the beautiful color the strawberries gave it. Alright, the last step is to drink it. This is basically my everything drink, where I use all the fruits I have. And it's got my protein powder, so it's going to be a beautiful, delicious breakfast. Beautiful color, isn't it? You can see the seeds. The only thing it's missing is a little ice. So I very recommend a delicious shake like this. I used a watermelon juice, like from this. But if you could have a juicer, you can use regular watermelon juice. This just was convenient. And it's gonna fulfill my day. Well, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Delicious. So the best part of this is I was able to save some for Linda, who's out doing chores, while I'm having my delicious liquid drink.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.